This is an old elevator that was replaced by all types.
Old Illinois replaced by all types.
Oh, well, there you go. Illinois.
Bessie's not 2,000 pounds. It's 2,100.
Lame.
I like the old piano, or the analog.
Yeah.